wanted to scale, but I didn't. So it dropped to VWAP. I added more. Brian also added more at 132 to 40, and then we went all the way up to 135. All right, guys, good morning. This is Andrew. I'm going to do a quick recap. I'm low on my battery, so I might afraid that I'm going to lose this app. So I had a pretty good day. Just two trades on AMD and AMC, and turned out to be really, really nice. Both of them essentially 1 minute opening range breakup, but I missed the good move on AMD. So if I bring my Epic pen, which is usually do I have a big pen? I don't have it. Anyways, so this is this candlestick. You see it closes a doji above the VWAP. Really nice 1 minute opening range breakup. Stock was gapping down, but it was really the buying pressure. I came at the open. I kind of chased it at the S1 level for the red to green. Added more. Popped up, but I wanted to scale, but I didn't. So it dropped to VWAP. I added more. Brian also added more at 132 to 40, and then we went all the way up to 135. And I'm still holding a little bit here. I'm still holding a little bit of AMD, average of 133. I'll see how it actually moves forward. I think it's going to go above 135. The market is really strong. As you see, SPY and QQQ also really, really strong. Same trade for me was the AMC. AMC really was beaten up the last couple of days. Opened very strong, was selling off at $20, held the S4 level in the pre-market. Again, I don't want to go long a stock that is below the VWAP, it's gapping down. But it is really squeezed above the VWAP, so it means that shorts are covering or people are buying. Then I jumped in for 1 minute opening range breakup at 2140, added more heavy size, and as you see from 2140 all the way, and I still have that. I want to get to 23. I still have that, and as you see, I'm holding a little bit of to 2144. I want to get to 23 and even higher. And so that was pretty much my trade. I still have my TNA. I actually added a little bit yesterday. I think market is going to bounce, but I don't know. Just some people ask, okay, what do you want to do with this position? To be honest with you, I don't know, but I think the market is going to bounce. So we'll see how it goes. And overall, I had a pretty, really, really solid day. And I think, the total of these ones. So I'm back in Lisbon. I'm flying tomorrow back to Vancouver. Sorry, a little bit of last week for me was traveling, and I do apologize for that. But I'm gonna be back in the office. So AMC is gonna go through 23. So I know, Brian, you did AMD with, and also you did a short on Python, yeah?
Yeah, I did a short on Python. I got out about half of it after it. I shorted it at the open where it popped to the VWAP and failed, sort of typical rising devil trade. Then got out half as it pulled back there.
AMD is also popping up, so I'm getting out a little bit of my AMD. That's it. What else do you want? What else do you want from the market that gives you these two great opportunity? That
just got another fill at 135.02, which is where I was sitting with my limit order on AMD. You still have a little bit left.
AMC went green. Can you believe that? I love this.
Yeah.
AMC went green.
AMD's green. Wow. Everything's kind of greening up. XLE's gone green. XLF.
I'm still holding AMC and AMD a little bit. Sold AMC more at 23. I think AMC is going to go green, definitely 23, 25. And AMD I sold more as well. And it was a really, really easy day, to be honest with you, in a way that you just have to wait for a couple of minutes to dust to settle.
Nice. Yeah, it was a good day.
So Brian, anything from you before I go out of that?
No, I think that's it. Pretty much covered it. I was still holding a little AMD. I did jump into that, back into NVIDIA while you were talking. So
I think
when
it would have been a really good ad on AMD. I think AMD is going to go to 136. It would have been a really good ad around here. But because I made really decent profit, I really don't need to mess around with it anymore. So the profit for me was like more than $18,000. So I really don't need to mess around. Oh no. Anyways,
all right. So, my air's running low.
All right, okay. So I'm gonna stop the recap, guys. So thank you. If you want, sorry about missing the recaps for last week. I was in Capo Verde, and I appreciate like, subscribe, and if you have any question, email me Andrew at Verbal Traders, and see you in the chat room.